Look here, A and D is parallel to B and C, so we're told that these two lines are parallel, and what else?
A and B.
Yep.
C and D.
Okay, good. So A and B is parallel to D and C, so it's actually already drawn here. What do you know about these two lines that meet? They form what? They're perpendicular. So this is the clue. Okay? So AD is perpendicular to DC. And you see the right angle drawn there. And if you graph it, you can see those two lines are perpendicular. So we're trying to find the value of K. What do you know about the two lines if they are perpendicular? The slopes are negative reciprocals. So what do we have to find? So let's start by finding the slope of what? Can you find the slope of DC? Yes or no? No, because we don't know this coordinate. So what are we going to start by finding? The slope of what? Okay, so find the slope of AD. Okay, so that we're going to start by finding the slope of AD, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we plug in the values. So my y2 is negative 9 minus 1 over 2 minus negative 1, right? Negative 9 take away 1, negative 10, and then 2 take away negative 1 is positive. Sorry, this is supposed to be a negative 4. I wrote it in wrong. Thank you for telling me. This is negative 4. So it's 2 take away negative 4 is positive 6. I wrote the wrong coordinate for this example. My apologies. So negative 10 over 6. Let's put this in lowest terms. What would it be in lowest terms? Negative 5 over, good. What do you know about the slope of DC? What can you tell me about the slope of DC? What is it equal to? What do you know? Yes? It is perpendicular to that. So what do you know about the slope? What is it then? What's the slope?
Oh, it's 3 over 5.
Positive 3 over 5. So we know the slope of DC is equal to 3 over 5. Does everyone understand why we know that? Now, to find what this to calculate what the slope is equal to, how do you find slope? Slope formula, right? We know that y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 will be equal to that. So write the equation. Write your plug in the numbers, y2 minus y1, and set it equal to 3 over 5. But for y2, you're going to write the variable k. We don't know what y2 is. So do that now. I'm going to call this x2, y2, and x1, y1. I know that the slope is equal to 3 over 5, right? We know that it's equal to 3 over 5 because it has to be perpendicular to the other slope. So let's fill in the blanks. Y2 is what? What's the value of Y2? K. Take away negative 9 over, what's X2? 12 take away X1. 12 take away 2 equals 3 over 5. You have to make sure you include this because we know what it's equal to. If you have an equation, you have a left side and a right side, we have to simplify this and we have to solve for k. That's what we're doing, is we're trying to figure out what k is equal to, right? So this is just k take away negative 9 is the same as writing k, what's a negative and a negative? Positive. Can I simplify 12 take away 2? What's 12 take away 2? Equals 3 over 5. So k plus 9 divided by 10, opposite of dividing by 10, if I multiply this by 10, I'm undoing the operation.
Yeah, but it's still k plus 9.
It's still k plus 9, yes, because it's all of this divided by 10. And I have to multiply the right side by 10. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So what am I left with on the left side? K plus 9
6.
equals 10 times 3 is 30 over 5, which is 6. So k plus 9 equals 6. What is k equal to? 6 take away 9 is negative 3.